Okay guys, so we come back from Hillarosa with a broke axle. So we're going to take apart the hub so that we can replace this axle and take a look at these Crudstoppers that have been on our RZR for the past 2 years.
Alright, I've already dropped the lower radius bar out of the way and removed the caliper to try to speed it up. We're going to pull this axle nut off, see how everything looks. Out. Turn the pressure off so you can hear everything. Alright, slide the hub. You can see how clean the hub surface and everything is. Let's see if we can get this axle out of here. See that the axle is still clean. Inner seal has done its job. You can still see how clean the bearing area is. And the bearing still spins free after 2 years. We have not gone back in and re-greased this bearing at all. So it has been holding up. Crudstoppers been doing their job, helping everything last longer. So pick up yours today from crudstoppers.com and we can help you out. Thank you for watching.